How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a cleanup and kind of restoration on this
Hoover bench grinder.
Yeah, it's literally. Let me switch the camera around.
It's a Hoover.
It's a Hoover. That's right, exactly. So I got this from Kevin. Not exactly sure how old this is. I don't know if there's a date on here. Oh, 1937. Is that what it says?
Well, yeah, that says October 19th, 1937.
So basically what we're going to do is we're going to...
But that could be the patent.
Yeah, it's the patent. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, this is not 1937. It is old though. But we're going to take this apart and clean it and check the bearings, and
we're going to give her a paint job.
And we're going to give it a paint job, exactly. If you've watched our previous videos and paid attention, it was sitting right there on the end. But yeah, today we're just gonna pretty it up and mount it back down to the bench. So without further ado, we'll get you set up and we'll start taking this apart. All right, so let's take these wheels off.
Okay. And that one.
Oh, yeah. Speeds up to 3,600.
It's a nice little spacer.
Oh, was that like factory?
No, it's probably just a
Oh, it's just a piece of copper.
Yeah, and electrical tape.
Piece of copper and electrical tape on the wire wheel. I guess that works. Why not?
So after you have electrical tape, because we're gonna have to.
Oh yeah, we can figure something out here. Yeah, that's awesome.
It was only that much.
Maybe that's why this thing was shaking so bad. Okay, so let's get the socket set out.
Okay.
Totally should have had that done already. Oh yeah.
Mine doesn't like coming off.
Because that's the inside one. So that's fine. Oh, does it have like...
Mine does not want to, but that's okay. A little bit of force never hurt anybody. Where's your common? Just... I might need to... Oh.
It's definitely moved.
Might need to warm it up a little bit. You got your torch?
Yep, hold on.
It's getting there. Let's warm it up a wee little bit. You can turn it if you don't want to burn your fingers.
That's not so bad.
Whoa!
Yeah, I know. Okay, let me try.
Okay.
Okay, it's moving.
Yep. There we go.
Shall we? Okay, that's hot.
Yeah, it's off.
Yeah. So do you want to pick that up and move it away?
Was that tight?
No, it wasn't bad, actually.
Good, good.
Okay, so there's a washer, or a lock washer,
Okay.
which is still a washer.
Yes, it is.
There's a set screw there.
Excellent.
That must hold the bearing.
Yes.
Oh! Have you ever seen a lock washer break like that?
I have.
Wow.
Yep.
Okay. That side. White, black, green. Okay. Oh wow, they just twisted the wire in a circle there.
The cord's probably been replaced. That was probably, you know, some old man somewhere.
In 1972. Some old man somewhere, yeah.
Probably my grandfather. That's fine. It works. Look how nice it is, though.
It's beautiful.
Like, it is beautiful work.
Yeah, I like it. Okay, good. Let's see what we got going on underneath the base.
Do you want me to do that, or? Okay.
Yeah, it's all good. Ah, okay, good.
Yep.
Take this base off. Oh yeah. Oh, hey. Let's try and hold the shaft here. There we go.
Okay, there we go.
There we go. Okay.
They're fairly dry.
Oh yeah, those are dry.
Okay, you're gonna remember where everything goes?
No.
Okay, good.
All right, so we have to undo these wires to get this end cap off. So I've marked the wires with dots that match, and the silver's hard to see, but on the camera, but we can see it. So we can undo this and then put this all back the way that it was.
Excellent.
Excellente. Okay. Okay, so there's the base.
Just pull this plate off. We'll put that back on after.
Or will we? That should be fun to put that together.
It's going to be great.
Okay, and then the next one will be this one on the side here. Oh yeah, that's gonna suck. Oh, you know what? That didn't do what I thought it was gonna do. I think that'll do what I want it to do. Come on now, let's play nice.
There's probably a screw on the bottom side, yeah.
See, it looks like that's a brush wire, right? Doesn't it? I mean, how a brush wire would look, I'm getting at here.
Yeah.
That is some sort of
insulation.
Okay, this is going to be fun.
It's going to be so good. But it needed to come apart. The bearings are dry.
In our next video is Mike and Kevin buying a new bench grinder. This is stuck on the shaft.
On the shaft. Oh, there it is. Excellent.
Okay, wires. There we go. Okay,
cool.
Good. So those are not brushes. It's just a way to get the power to it.
All right.
Okay, so interesting.
Very interesting.
So what's this little doodad?
I'm not a professional.
Is this the thing that makes that click noise when you turn off the grinder? Like, is this out by centrifugal force?
Yes.
And it pulls whatever this is in? Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh. Cool.
Right.
Excellent.
Because you know how these motors make a click once you get down to a certain RPM? Must be that.
Awesome.
Okay, so we don't actually really need to do much with this. This can just stay.
Yeah.
Because we're not cleaning this. Everything looks okay. There's nothing we're going to do here anyway. Because we're actually just going to be painting.
And we need to take a look at these bearings because they're dry.
Yeah, that grease.
That grease is now...
is putty.
Not great.
Okay.
All right, we'll be back.
All right. We're making ourselves sick again with degreaser.
So good.
Yeah.
Love degreaser. It's a fairly dirty little unit.
Yeah.
Years of grinding.
We'll see how many times we have to go back to the video to put this thing back together.
I have faith that it won't be any more than twice.
So we'll get a mask off here and the top, and we'll just put the hammered finish on there.
Yeah.
And kind of just let it sit where it sits. And of course, I'm going to mask off the tag. I don't know what you call that. Service tag? No.
It's just
machine tag.
Tag.
Machine information tag. The information plate.
You can call it whatever you want.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I won't shake it anymore.
All right, we got some masking done. We're going to do this trim-clad hammered, and we'll let the man get to work here.
The man, hey?
I'm gonna do the.
I see you do the old finger.
Well, for now, just for precision.
Precision.
Sorry, did you get some overspray?
No, it's fine.
All right, painting's done. It's currently hammering away. It's looking pretty good, actually.
Yeah, it's starting to tack up nice.
Yeah,
it's drying.
Let this stuff dry, and I kind of like the texture of the hammered paint.
Yeah.
Let this dry, and then we'll get the assembly done. So, yeah, we'll see you in a bit.
We're back.
All right, we're back on the bench grinder. It's definitely not a week later, and and we're definitely not wearing different clothes.
I wore the same hoodie.
Yeah, the same hoodie. Okay, so we've been looking at all the parts that we took apart from last week. Now we're afraid, so yeah, wish us luck. Oh God,
it'll be fine.
It'll be fine. Oh, by the way, we've lubed up the bearings. They're nice and smooth.
They're great.
There's no play, or no excessive play anyway. And we were going to get new bearings, but screw it.
Yeah,
not worth it. We got them all lubed up. So anyway, we're going to attempt to remember how this thing goes together. We do have the video from the disassembly, so with luck, it'll show us what we need to see on that. And of course we do have all the wire locations marked, so that should be fine. My big concern is in this box of parts is we have like lock washers and various little machine screws. Somewhere there was some fiber washers. I don't know. I'm sure they're important. We'll figure it out. Kevin has volunteered to be the first one to touch the case and turn it on after we've plugged it in. So I'll have 911 on speed dial, so we'll see what happens. All right, let's just get set up and we'll start putting this case back on. Yeah, I seem to remember the... Okay, and then... Yes. So this is going to have to go through here like so.
Yep.
Okay, I think we're in.
Yeah, I'm going to set this down.
Good. So
I'll let you keep pulling that up.
This is the bottom. Yep. And that makes sense. Okay, so what we need to do is get I believe we need a washer and then a nut. Does that make sense?
Sounds right. Wait, no. Take that back off. We got to bolt on that inside plate to the inside. Remember?
Turn it around. Let me get these undone. There's a washer.
Yeah, almost missed a crucial step.
And a washer. Well, you're the one turning it on first.
Yeah. Remember that this retainer has to be bolted. And that was a fun job.
Let's see, let's pull this out a bit.
Yeah. So are those wires?
Those are loose.
Okay, hold on. Let's just.
Oh, yeah. You just have to lift it up and push it through.
Yeah.
Okay, so this gets screwed on where?
Right there and there.
Oh, and that was going to be...
And there is room to... Not really room to do anything, actually. It's going to be a fun one.
Yeah, it is going to be a fun one.
How did you undo it?
Let's take apart the
bench grinder.
The bench grinder, he says. It'll be awesome.
It'll be so easy. Yeah, it was, and it is.
Is there any way we can pull this armature through a bit more?
Want more?
Yeah. Yeah, that's more.
That's all of it. Probably a little too much, actually.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, there. That's as much as you get.
Okay, that sucked. We got that silver bolts, machine screw.
There you go.
On the left done and on the right done. It's kind of hard to tell in the camera, but it's to get your fingers in there, not easy.
No, not easy at all.
Good. Oh, we didn't get out the nut driver we were using. Unless it's still on the table from last week. Who am I kidding? We don't put anything away. It's right there.
It is right there. Look at this.
Yeah, there you go.
Good job.
Yeah.
Who puts stuff away? No one.
Responsible adults?
Nah.
Does that sound right?
It's like, why do you even have a toolbox? Tools don't need to go back in your toolbox.
You notice my response ended in a question, right? Is there such a thing as a responsible adult? Apparently, I don't know.
Maybe not.
I play one at work. Do you?
Yep.
Yeah. Good.
Good.
Okay, so
Now we can put the other side on.
This bad boy on.
Yep.
Try not to scratch up our week-old paint.
Well, then you can hold that bad boy.
Yeah, here, let me put something.
Yeah. That's heavy.
I wonder if this is going to stay. Why?
Oh,
hello, Kevin.
Hey.
Look at this. Can use Mr. Twisty Arms. I know the camera can't see it, but
it's going to work.
it works.
Yes, it does.
Excellent.
It's got to tilt that up a little bit.
Okay, let me try and get my fingers in the way.
The armature will slide.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
I'll just do it like that.
Okay, set it down.
Okay.
Oh, no. It's going to be so...
We just have to catch the bearing race just correctly, and then it should start to get... There you go.
Just like that.
Yeah.
You know.
I think it has to go just a hair more, though. Well, these have to go through in a certain way. Like, there's internally. Right? You see what I'm saying? What have we done wrong?
Cut.
Cut! Okay, we got it figured out. There's slots through the secondary windings that those have to go through. And
it's going to be fun.
Yeah.
I'm just going to get that one in, and then we can rotate
rotate it, yeah.
Yes. Still not there.
That's okay. Just twist it. You can do it. You're a man.
There.
Am I? It's not quite right. There we go. Look at that.
Yay.
Who says we don't know all? So it's probably going to be these black ones here, right? And
maybe wiggle washers?
Yes, and here's oh, that's those lock washers I was worried about. So there's one. There's the nuts. There's another lock washer.
Just the last long bolt.
And another lock washer. And another lock washer. Okay. All right, how's our... Oh, yeah, she spins beautiful.
Yeah, must tighten up. I didn't really
you didn't
down yet.
Give her.
Give her.
Careful. Shh.
What?
Scheißen.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait a second.
Give her. What?
Good?
Give her. Good. And then the last one's over here.
Yes, sir. Ready?
Yep. Good.
Okay.
Okay. So let's put the base on.
Yep.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Now that we've like got table parts on it,
It'll be okay.
It'll be fine.
So now we need to put the switch in.
You want to put our...
Let's get the wiring done first, and then we'll do the upper part.
All right, so let's put this on its side. Like so. Oh, wait, we'll put the switch in after because I need to see my markings.
Okay.
Let's make sure that you guys can actually see what's going on here. There you go.
I will let you do...
Oh, God, since I'm the one that marked it, great.
And I'll have a drink of some Coke with ice.
Coke with ice, yeah. Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah, we missed a step.
This wire, this protection is so stiff, I can't bend it.
I'm sure you can.
Okay. But do I want to?
Yes.
Oh. Holy mother! Just to get some of those started in there. Ah, screw it.
Get her done.
No, it won't go. I have to put them all through first. Can you pull on some of those?
Yeah, just hold on. We're
like this white one here?
Yeah.
And then the black one?
Okay.
Hold on.
Put that one in there. Okay.
Wait.
Yep.
Wait.
Wait.
That black one. There we go. Come on. Oh.
Yay.
Okay.
Success.
Good. Success. All right. Let's see if I can figure this out and haven't wiped all the paint marker off this. So this is too red. Mm-hmm. So it goes here. Let's see if my markings actually are going to help. So 2 red, 1 silver. That goes here. So I'm going to put that on right now.
Okay. I have a question.
You.
Where are all these little black screws from?
Oh, these covers?
Oh, okay.
And there's other covers. Yeah.
You know, spare parts are fine.
Uh-huh. Where do all these extra washers come from? Oh. Ixnay.
And like, we have these 5.
It's a good thing we marked this.
Mm-hmm. Wouldn't have been going back together. Right
No. I would have been scouring eBay for a exact replica, and then we just paint it without taking it apart. All right, grinder's done.
Grinder's done. I guess I can put these set screws in here.
Okay.
That's the way I do it.
Nice. Okay, the switch is done. Let's put it through its hole here. And we have the, of course, I have no idea which is off and on now.
Well, that's off.
Okay. Oh, it's keyed.
It is keyed.
Nice. Beautiful. Oh, not crooked, please.
It was crooked already.
I know, but
you don't want it crooked?
We don't have to make it crooked, do we? That's good enough. Okay.
Cool. Look at
that. Okay. It's getting there. How does that...
feels nice.
Those bearings feel so much better, don't they?
So much better.
Yeah.
Maybe it won't vibrate like it did before.
I think it vibrated because...
everything.
Remember, this was using tape?
Hey.
As a bushing?
Well, no, it was using some copper pipe.
And a tape.
And some tape.
Yeah.
It's fine. It'll be okay.
So we don't know if it was technically centered. Okay. So.
Let's get everything back.
Yeah. We're going to set up on a different angle and put the rest of this together. Back in a minute. All right. We'll get the power cable.
Yep. We'll do the power cable. It seems necessary. You know.
Well, this is those new wireless grinders.
Wireless grinders. I like it.
Okay, good. And then here's the two.
Do you want the...
Yeah, it goes exactly like that.
Yep.
Excuse me.
Excuse you?
If we line it up, maybe.
Well, sorry. I'm going to use this super... I'll use the slightly shorter one. Hey.
How about I use it?
Hey.
That screw's crooked, by the way.
Look. Listen here.
Okay, so let's put this wire wheel that's not going to stay on here first.
Well, how about we do a quick testy test?
Okay.
You know, why not? We lost a little bit of light, but that's fine. All right.
Hold on. Is that actually plugged in?
Yeah.
What have we forgotten?
Let's edit this part out.
Yeah. Are you sure it's plugged in?
Yeah, dude. Oh, I see what happened.
Oh, a wire broke off.
Wire broke.
Ah, okay, hold on. It's unplugged, right?
Yeah, so...
Okay. Yeah. Let's take the switch out.
Little wire broke. Shoot.
Well, I can't get at the switch.
Yes, you can.
Thank you. I was like, come on. I mean, I know we're incompetent, but we're not that incompetent. Come on. Come on.
These croissant wrenches.
I don't. How does this French wrench?
Stupid French wrench.
This is. Oh, I need a metric one. That's why. Okay, let's try again.
Okay. Okay. Flip the switch.
Oh!
So much better.
It does sound so much better. Okay.
All right.
Oh, wait. We didn't test for, like, did we get electrocuted?
Yeah, turn it on. Yeah, you're good.
Oh, I already plugged in. Okay, no electrocution.
All right, it's unplugged, you see?
Okay, thanks, bro.
All right, let me put this back on. Let's get this cover back on.
I was really worried there that we were...
Pretty stupid.
Well, I mean, I know we're stupid. I just meant...
True.
Can I have that little croissant?
Croissant.
That French... Is that French wrench?
There's going to be people that are going to be complaining, but that's fine. We know we're right.
My family's French-Canadian.
That's cool.
I can say what I want.
I'm German, so it's...
you can't say nothing. You just have to keep your mouth shut.
All right, we'll put it back on the bench. Oh, yeah, we got to tighten that.
We'll tighten it after.
Okay, throw it back on the bench. Oh, wait, we need to move some stuff.
Yeah, move all this flammable stuff away from the grinder.
Nah.
And these were the two screws I used.
I like risks of fire.
Risks of fire and explosion. Watch that. Okay.
Oh, I'll get it back onto where the. Hi. Like,
And,
can they see us? Yes, they can.
So I had one on this side and one on this side. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We'll do something a little bit more safer than this later.
What? Safe? Who likes safe?
I don't know.
Safe doesn't sell.
OSHA. OSHA. All right, let's plug this bad boy in.
All right. Don't hot.
Oh,
Fireworks like usual, but.
well, this side here. All right, I'm going to grab the camera. Yeah, it's done.
Yay.
It's beautiful. We'll tighten this back up.
Eventually.
Eventually. It works. All right.
Nothing to see here.
Well, there you have it, folks. There's another small little project done.
Yeah, that wire wheel is totally not on.
Yeah, the wire wheel is... I'm going to get a new wire wheel and replace that because it's
Yeah.
not centered.
Definitely not.
This wasn't a overly complicated project, but it was a project nonetheless. And let's get... thanks for tuning in. Come check us out for the next one. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like and comment our videos. That really helps us out. And we'll see you in the next one. Laters.
Bye.